I'm going to show you how to hide files or folders in your File Explorer. For example, if you want to hide a folder or file, all you have to do is to right-click on it, then choose Properties. Under General, go down here to Hidden, then click on this box, choose Apply. Then you have two options here to apply changes to this folder only or to apply changes to this folder, subfolders, and files. So what this is going to do is that it's not only going to hide the folder, it's going to hide the content of the folder. So choose this one, then click OK. Once you're done with that, click OK. If you want to reveal the folder, go on to View, go down to Show, then choose Hidden Items. Click on that. Now that's going to reveal the hidden folder. Bear it in mind that other hidden folders will be revealed as well. For example, if you go to your Windows C, you're going to find all these grayed out folders. These are the hidden folders. I'm going to head on back again. If you want to hide it again, go back to View, Show, then select Hidden Items. Now, if I reveal the folder again, to go back to default, right click on it, go to Properties, uncheck the Hidden, click Apply, click OK, then click OK again, and it's back to normal. So that is how you hide any file or folder in Windows 11, and this method works on Windows 10 as well. This is a quick method to keep your confidential files and folders hidden from other users. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.